can't even believe I'm 12. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm 12 today and I feel good. Yeah. And don't mind here. Cause yeah. My mom is currently packing, so the place is a mess. And yeah, so for my birthday, as you can tell by the title, we are going to Great Wolf Lodge. And it's 7:26 right now, so that's why it's dark. You're like, it's morning and it's dark. No, it's 7:26 and yeah, so it's dark. And I'm super duper excited. So yeah, I can't believe I'm 12. Okay, and I'm also tired but I'm super energetic because I stayed up till 12 last night because like I just like doing that on my birthday. It's like a tradition where I stay up till 12 and then we celebrate and then I go to bed. So yeah. Yeah, I'm really excited and we're gonna go to Great Wolf Lodge and I can't wait and we're just gonna have a blast. Let's go, people. Alright guys, so now we are on our way to Great Wolf Lodge and for breakfast we got McDonald's and here are my friends. Hi. Hi. She's playing something and Minecraft, okay, that's sponsored, but this is Faith and this is Audia. Faith was in my birthday haul 2016, so. Oh my god, I can't. Yeah. And yeah, so we're like half an hour or 45 minutes away from Niagara and I'm really excited and I'll see you guys when we're there. You guys are here! I can't wait! Look! Yay!
I will be there at night.
We're at Great Wolf Lodge! I can't wait! How do you guys feel that we're here?
Oh gosh, guys, how's my...
So here is where the rooms are. And we're probably gonna be somewhere here. I don't know, but yeah. Yo, this is so cool! Look how big this hotel is. She's very satisfied by doing that. Hey guys, what up? It's your girl Faith, and today we are at Great Wolf. There's Jordan.
Oh God, Jordan, why are you always in the way of my vlogs? Oh my God, so cool.
We are at Great Wolf Lodge here. Get this ugly thing out of here. But we are at Great Wolf Lodge. It is so nice. Oh my God, guys, I'm so happy for all of you to be seeing my wonderful face on like. Alright guys, so I got this for my birthday and then I also got a little glittery type wristband and it says happy birthday on it. It's super adorable. So it has a little thing and then on the back of the ears it says happy birthday. It's super cute and I love it. And Faith is helping me film. Alright, so we're gonna go get our room and then we are gonna go to the pool, so let's go! Okay.
Can we take a picture on Instagram?
So we just got out of the pool and now we are going back. Where is it? Okay. We are going back into our room to get ready for dinner and then we're gonna go to dinner. And then yeah. How was the pool? Good. Oh.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we are about to prank. We're about to do a prank. We're gonna knock and run. So Jordan's gonna knock.
Where are you going? Keep going.
Then we have time. Heard it. Oh my God. What? Alright guys, so we are done with the pool. We might go back later. And now we are getting ready to go to dinner. They're over here doing their hair and I don't have their hair, so I can't do my hair when it's wet.
My hair's not even...
And
Oh,
yeah.
Jeez. Hello, baby. Oh shoot, I left my shoes in what's you call it? Your aunt's Sherry.
Your shoes?
My shoes.
And so now I'm going to do a little room tour. So you can put like jackets, sweaters, and stuff here, shoes there. bathroom with a shower and a toilet.
No
Sink.
sink. Exactly.
This is the sink here. And then / like station. Yeah. Oh, someone's here. When is it? Alright guys, so we are done with the pool. We might go back later because we didn't shower yet. And now we are going to dinner, and we're actually going right now because they can accommodate us right now. Because like it's reservations and yeah. So let's go. Alright, so we are on our way to dinner, and we are going to be eating, hello, we are going to be, oh my gosh, we are going to be eating a dinner at a buffet. Say hi to the vlog. Look how cool this is. Wait, let me try something.
Wanna do the tree one?
Oh, this girl has her hand on it. Alright, so we are here and we are going to eat dinner now. Hey guys, so we just finished eating dinner and everyone's staring at me, but I don't really care. And yeah, after this I think we're gonna go back to the room and I'm gonna do my cake and open presents. And three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack quack quack, and only two little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack quack quack, only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack quack quack, only one little duck came back. The mother duck went out over the hill. Alright guys, so we just got back from dinner. It tasted amazing. It was a buffet. Is someone trying to get in? Oh my gosh, who is it? Let's see who it is. Kyla! Come on in to the cool kids room.
I'm not here for that.
And then you gotta just lock. No, whatever. Who cares? Alright, so she's jumping from bed to bed. And I'm gonna give you all a room tour. So this is the door. This is where you can hang closets. Someone trying to get into our door. Here's like a little sink because the bathroom only has a shower and a toilet. And then this is like the little kitchen area. Oh my gosh.
Who is it?
My aunt brought popcorn. Let's pop the popcorn. Oh my gosh, who's here now? Oh gosh. Oh, it's you guys. I thought it was Kyle. Yo, this is such a slumber party. We got all the kids here. This is a slumber party when you're sitting on the sink. Well, Faith has taken over the closet. This is life these days.
I'm gone.
Guys, let's go.
Popcorn.
Guys.
Yeah. Just now.
I'll cover it. Oh wait, do that. That'll be cool. Cover it. Ready?
Mom.
Oh my god! The thing is, the song is so old. That's nice.
Are you a little Winnie? Wait.
Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower and the place is a little clean. Oh my gosh, there's hair.
What?
Like,
What?
there's a hair like literally stuck to my face.
And your mom?
What the heck? Oh my gosh, no. Oh. Finally, what the heck? She's using a hair dryer, I think. I don't know.
What the heck? There's air coming out of here and here. So, and I get to dry like my hands, and at the same time I dry the cup.
Okay.
See the cup's getting dry.
Your mom.
Alright, so Faith just washed the cups, and that's her strategy of drying the cups, just in case you were wondering what that was. And yeah, Jordan's just on his phone the whole time. I don't know.
Are you guys actually ready now?
Brings a whole laptop on a one-night trip.
get-
What are you doing, Faith?
I want coffee.
You're allowed to drink coffee.
Nope. That's so personal.
So,
Someone go.
okay.
Juice and the flour and it spilled everywhere, and my daughter is like slipping on it in the bathroom, and then my wife started peeing all over the couch, and then everyone is going crazy, and I don't know what to do. I am a single man. I'm cheating on my other wife. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but someone needs, if I'm calling the right number. She hung up! She hung up! Yo, my grandma hung up!
Wouldn't have a phone if he went that way.
Alright guys, so, is it recording? Yeah, it is. Okay. So we are going to the lobby to activate my friend's wand for Grateful Flood, and yeah. Cause she has an old one. It's like yo, what is wrong with you guys?
Give it back!
Alright. Sorry guys. Yeah, and let's go. Look at Kyla's pajamas. Rocking those.
Yeah.
Look at her PJs. So creative. And then these are mine. You saw them in my mini justice haul. And then those are audios. Yeah, okay. So I think this is where we go to activate it. So we're gonna go activate it. Ooh, Magic Quest. Magic Quest. Alright, so we got it activated, but I'm not gonna vlog it. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah. Wait, maybe I will. I don't know. Stay tuned. Let's go. So we got our little map thingy or something, and then there's our wand, so let's go. Alright guys, so we are now going on the Magic Quest or Magi Quest. I don't know which one, but yeah. So let's go.
You must wish to confront the red dragon who dwells in that darkest dungeon.
Alright, so now we're in the elevator. You didn't, oh, you put the third floor, okay. Yay, we're moving people. Jordan's not even wearing shoes, but whatever. Oh, we're here already. Okay.
Hey, could I go live on my account?
Alright, so I think we found 2 already. Okay, what's the clue? Alright guys, so we are done for the night with the Magi Quest. We are on level 3 and it closes. We would stay out longer, but it closed. So we're gonna continue tomorrow. And we're just sitting by the fire because we thought it was nice. And then we're gonna ding dong ditch our parents. So that's gonna be fun. And I think they're doing Snapchats. So let's
Yo, I didn't know this was actually the fire. That's fake. Oh my god, that's so good. We should just bring
And
like,
then
our
your
marshmallow
Snapchat.
and like hot chocolate and bring it right here and be like,
I know, literally, it's real fire, just so you guys know.
and it's nice and
it's
warm.
so nice, but I feel like we're gonna catch on fire because they're so close.
I know, right?
There's
Live?
a fence, lady.
I know, but
And
it's
it's like
not. Yeah.
at
Look how
least
cute this fence is. It's like a little box.
half a
It's
meter
so cute.
away from the fire.
Are those your pajamas, Jordan?
Well, it's like 37
Not
degrees
me?
now.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay. Because we're all in pajamas. Cute pajamas. My pajamas. Go see that in my mini justice haulas. And yeah. I think people are still hunting and they don't know that it's closed.
You guys wanna go? You guys wanna do?
Yeah.
You guys wanna hunt one more time?
We
Oh,
can't. It's
You
closed.
guys wanna do a cheat sheet for tomorrow?
Oh yeah, we can find everything for tomorrow.
You guys wanna do a cheat sheet for tomorrow? We can go as fast as we can. What time do they? What time do they?
I don't know. You have to ask.
No, I was like checking time. It's like 12 or 11. Kyla's gonna be like.
Whatcha?
Put it on my
Turn into something so that I can
Good,
make
better not.
you turn into something on YouTube.
Where's the fire one?
No, okay.
Fire one.
The fire one?
I don't know.
Okay, guys, can we go ding dong ditch them again? I mean, right now. What the heck? Yeah, we just figured out that there's other spots to this Magi Quest. And yeah. Oh, also, we were searching for the tree man, and we realized that we already found him. See, look, there's a whole bunch of stuff here, too.
These are for the advanced ones, though.
I know, but if we reach that level, we can just... We know it's here. Oh, yeah, okay. Where are you going? We're sleeping. Is there stuff in there, too? No? Okay. Oh, my gosh, people are sleeping. Jordan. Guys, it's like 11, but it's okay because it's my birthday. We're staying up till 3.
Let's do
people.
warm-ups. Guys, let's do hollow logs all the way from here to there.
What are
Let's
hollow
do
logs?
hollow logs. You have to put down your phone though.
I'm not doing it because of my
Jump,
foot.
And then you jump like
Yo,
this.
my
have to keep
toe
your arms
hurts
loose.
so bad
Ready?
because it's kind of TMI, but whatever. You guys are so weird. Is that really a workout? I would do it, but my toe hurts really bad. So.
So, you know when you are on the floor, you do like,
No.
so you do like 1, 2, 3,
No. I know, they're probably sleeping. And we're out here.
Toast my slippers.
I swear to God,
Right.
that's Tyler.
Well, Faith and Jordan are racing.
They can run there. No offense. Jordan's past.
Wait, guys! We're doing the... Oh my gosh, we're ding-dong ditching them and... Oh, sorry. And they're... Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Costumes? For the staff. Oh, that's cool. Oh gosh, they're probably gonna ruin it. They probably forgot that. Oh, they know. Yeah, we're coming. Where's Faye? Okay, we're gonna take them. Why is she so mad? Wait, guys. Shh. Wait, is this our room? Okay, guys. Alright, guys. Wait, guys. No. Wait, shh. No. Oh my guys. Guys. I hear them. Guys, no. Okay, guys. Hi, over here. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Wait. Go. Hurry up. Okay, stay here. Shh. Someone's there, but it's not them. I think they closed the door. Someone's there. No, it's just random people, but I think they closed the door back. Hold on. Wait. Knock again. Okay, go.
I'm just joking. I would never do that. Snitches get stitches. Have fun.
She knows where the corner. She's gonna see you too. Go. They're not even gonna come around the corner. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we're playing snakes and ladders right now. And eating chips and...
Whoever stop vlogging every second now.
No, oh my god. Alright, it's my turn, people.
Can I have chips?
2.
Get him a chip. What does it mean on the?
This is giant snakes and ladders, y'all. It's so big. Guys, so we are now watching TV and it's like 12 something. But yeah, so I'm just gonna close out this video. I might vlog tomorrow, not sure, but stay tuned. And make sure you guys give this video a like if you like it. Comment down below. Just whatever you want. And oh, I already said that. And subscribe and turn on your notifications. And do you want to be in my outro?
Bye.
Bye. Alright, bye guys. Love you.